is the name for chemical gold in scientific language. Oro in Italian language means gold. So we do Italian craftsmanship in an Indian manner. It's a manufacturing company. We do bulk exports also. Our key specialty is in the gold chains. Well, Oro Gold has always stand for social causes in the past. We have associated with IFA Awards because they have an international platform. Also sponsored an event called the Unsung Heroes of India. So this way we felt a big need on Uttaranchal relief, and as a part of our CSR, corporate social responsibility, we felt a need. We thought of sponsoring and raising some funds both locally and internationally. So Oro Gold Company on its own would like to donate about 11,11,111 rupees. We are also in discussion with the government of Uttaranchal if we can habitate one village and we can sponsor the entire village. We are going to be deploying our people. We are going to team up with some NGOs which are currently working in Uttarakhand, and we will make sure that the funds that we are wiring from Mumbai through our respected banks are distributed on an installment scheme basis where there is a proper accounting being given to us. At the same time, I'll be going personally to see to it that the operations and the needful people get everything in their hand. This is a major disaster in this part of the world. If they could contribute in whatever smallest form, financially, socially, economically, or even their physical presence, and facilitate the aids, specifically on medication, on blankets, on food packets, on shelter homes. Well, my message to the international community, specifically the NRIs, which are currently based all over the globe and they've done so wonderful for themselves. I would like them to contribute a small portion of their earnings or whatever they could contribute for the welfare of Uttarakhand. So it's time that we can give back to the society. Make this social cause more international, more famous, so that more people can be associated and the needful people can be rescued and rehabilitated in the needed time frame. Thank you.